back to the show, everyone. You see here. I'm going to buy this book, Dogman Wuthering Heights. I really love this one. Today is the day they published this book, Dogman Wuthering Heights. And here I'm doing a flipperama. The flipperama is going to be such a thing. I'm going to read this guy right away. I said line of duty. You see, there was a really long one in the bathroom, and we all had to go to the duty and get out of there! But you like seriously? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's fun. But he kept calling the special caller. Oh no, Doctor, what happened to you? I promise. This is so cool. Well, that's very cute. Bye bye. Super. Oh, thanks. Really? Thanks. They quack when you walk. I noticed. She noticed. And then super pillow fort. Inside is super pillow fort, which looks small. It's actually big. Oh, hi, Dogman. Put that thing on it. Okay. A few days. Don't worry, Dogman. A cup of tea. So solve this problem. Run, HDHD. Let's go to Grand Ballroom. Escape from cat jail. Yep, that pillow fort was an optical illusion. Meanwhile, I'm gonna make first good. 2 seconds. I'm not a big gym. Now remember, and the cupcake. Yeah, whatever. Leave me about. Why didn't you tell me she was already? I forgot. It's all constant, but the truth is, both of those strange when we played together. That's one whole day making up songs about diarrhea. Oh yeah, what they'll do it. Not when you do it for 9 hours. Alright, look, we can both stay. But I don't want to hear a peep out of you, kid. Do you hear me? Not a peep. Okay, Papa. Bye, Wally. Beep beep. I'm serious. I don't want to get my feelings to people. But just don't that, but that's not your job. We want to do it. And yes, that's possible. No longer available. Now let me put Ben to comfort right. Outrage. Let's take our business elsewhere. Meanwhile, how's the show? As you may remember, PD used to have a very bad reputation. He was known across the continent as the world's most evil cat. What on Mr. Jane? Today, let's meet him now. PD, hello sir, what is it, pet? Little doggy. Be nice, Zuzu. Oh, but yeah, be nice, Zuzu. PD, just a short time ago, we know the villain. It was not a short time ago, a ruthless bad guy. It was scheming good-for-nothing scoundrel, but you've changed. Yeah, tell me what. Well, that happened. Good. Like, how come Wales won't wear clothes? I wear clothes sometimes, no, you don't. Yeah, it's for PD and Molly. Fine. Yes. Yes, somebody else. No, he doesn't. He's downstairs. Yeah, but hungry. He's got potato chips. He held this. He wants something healthy instead. Let's kill the broccoli. I like potato chips. All right, here. Hado crisps. You got any of the white stuff? What white stuff? What's up? She needs chip dipper. Well, all out, chip dipper. Would you get out of here? Okay, bye, Wally. Why does she keep calling Wally? I have no idea. Becoming PD. Yeah, that one has a good fancy title. It doesn't look like the normal. Meanwhile, sorry dudes, well, can't believe it. Is any living play can go? So something I'm hungry. No, I'm not giving up until we're back. Be careful. Laboratory. There's all filled with all kinds of dangerous stuff. Russian? New message. Hey look, there they are. People I've detected that as a surgical. Here's wrap. Rough? Okay. Ding dong. My goodness, box of candy. Share these bad boys, everybody. Yo, who wants a wet potato? Oh, right here. Who wants some wet candies? I just found on the sidewalk. Speaking of weird transitions, how hard was it? Yeah, but didn't stick around, did he? No, but orphaned, yeah, but I should go to the big, no, but so hardcore, yeah, but no, but I hate to go over the talk suddenly. This did happen, but that's not what I become. What? Turn it up. You think you know what? What is wrong with you? What does thing? No offense. Walk this way. I'm tired of picking up after you two. Boy, well, sure got today. I wonder why. And then here is the last page. I guess we don't have a choice. Just about everything. Well, not everything. Perfect. That's forever, right, Papa? Forever and ever. The end. I only read you 8 chapters via the last page of the story in this book. Well, because I don't have time to read the entire book, obviously. This is the 10th book of the Dogman series, Dogman Muttering Heights. You see here, if you really like this book and you want to see it for yourself, you can buy it on Barnes & Noble, which I'm in, Books A Million, or don't forget this classic book fair. My most favorite part is chapter number 11, where it all began. Well, it talks about Petey's deceased mother's love. So, I'm gonna read this page. If you know, really want to know why I changed from bad to good, it all starts here. This is where I lived after my dad left. We loved to do that thing, and things were pretty tough. We didn't have much money, food, but my mom was always hopeful. We still have love and love us forever and ever. Hey, Papa, how come I have a bandage on my tail? That's not me. That's me. What is riddle? Oh, no, it was hard on us. It didn't always handle well. My mother always forgave me. Her love so strong that survived even after when she passed away. This was Petey when he was a teenager, happily. Even after all the mistakes that I made, Petey as a young adult, one day her love became something new. I guess when Petey's mother was deceased, she decided to create a new creation. That's me, right, Papa? Yep, that's you. You recognize it all first. My mother's love of them, staring me right in the face, bringing me, still forgiving me, and never giving up hope. Sometimes love is so strong. It does last forever. Always in the rose tunnel, and even though the medical characters may change, its inevitable nature of being poor, inspired for the most heart and soul, the judgment of the bird of all trust. Sure, why not? Let's set the best up. Well, that's the end of the show, folks. And what a wonderful ending it was. I can't think of anything that could ruin this delightful ending. And here is the ruined. Well, okay, maybe one thing. And then there goes chapter 12. I like this chapter because I've seen it in the book's official trailer, obviously. I also love this chapter because well, you see here, my mom also forgives me too, but for whom she is the cameraman, obviously. See, when I make mistakes, obviously. But don't spread it out. I don't want to get too embarrassed. Your parents may forgive you guys too when you do any mistakes, obviously. I really like this book, and maybe you will like it too. Let's check it out if you have a chance.